Hi, my name is Nick Carpenter-Brooks and I'm here with Jada Pekova of the England Roses. Today we're going to talk through one of the ways that you can strap to support an athlete if they're experiencing any kind of shin splint or what you might call medial tibial stress syndrome. So if you get the athlete sat around so their feet are near the end of the bed, if we go sock off, Jade, if that's okay. And then if you slide yourself down so your foot's kind of hanging off the bottom here. So one of the main things with shin splints is a lot of the time the athletes will land and kind of roll and pronate, which then adds a lot of traction and stress up through the inside of the shin. So one of the things we can do is add a bit of an arch lift underneath to support this. So it helps to get a little bit of adhesive spray to start with. And then what we're going to do is start on the top of the foot, roll around underneath, and then we're going to traction up to the arch to lift, come around the joint at the top, okay? And other people might like to use a bit of a stronger tape or a rigid tape, but I find at times it can be quite uncomfortable on the underside of the arch, the athlete. So you're starting on the top, add a little bit of traction to get the stretch, and then going to roll underneath, and then the important part here is then when you get onto the inside of the foot, you then retraction to get a little bit of a lift on that arch, and then you're coming across and you're joining up the top there. And then we'll go one more of those exactly the same, about half a tape width over. I tried to stay away from the bony part on the outside of the foot, because if you compress that too much, it can get really uncomfortable when the girls start to run. So then we'll go half a tape width there, get the stretch on the tape, and then again, as you come to the inside of the arch, you want to traction up, give a little bit of support to that arch, and then join up the top. And then you have a little bit of support there for an athlete with shin splints.